Hey everyone, welcome to the CP showroom. I'm Miguel Almonte, the new Industrial Product Marketing Manager, and I'm joined here today by one of our heavyweights, William Mouillet, our Division Product Manager. William, you want to talk about what your products are that you represent?
Yeah. So I'm the Global Product Marketing Manager for Assembly Tools, but previously I held the role of Industrial Segment Marketing Manager as well, so very familiar with all tools, assembly, material removal, precision torque.
Awesome. So today what we want to do is we want to unbox our new CP3T30 turbine grinder. And what we want to do is basically kind of like walk you through it, show you some quick features and benefits of this tool, why we're launching it, and just give you a quick walkthrough. So William, if you could give us what's been the reason for this tool now and why we launched it.
Yeah, so turbine grinders are highly efficient. So really the idea behind releasing a turbine grinder was to really target the customers who are looking for maximum efficiency and value, and do a lot of material removal work, just constantly day in, day out. So it really fits into our premium range nicely.
So here it is, easy to box out. This tool comes in a 5 and a 7-inch grinder, and it also comes in a 7-inch sander for the US. At a quick overview of the tool, we have an anti-vibration handle, which is adjustable. We have an adjustable guard right here. We have the spindle lock, which is conventional. And we also have the lateral exhaust. This thing right here is really cool just because it's operator comfort. You have cold air coming out of here. So if you're handling it from here, the cold air comes through here, and it just preserves the operator. So something else that's really cool on the CP3T30 is the auto balancer. It preserves the life of the disc. It gives it a smoother grind, and it's awesome for operator comfort.
No, the auto balancer is fantastic. So these grinding wheels tend to be not evenly balanced, and so especially when you have a high horsepower turbine motor driving it, the disc can tend to skip across the material as you're grinding, and so it leads to uneven wear, as Miguel mentioned. So what the auto balancer does is it just counteracts the weight balance of the disc, and it keeps the grinding disc on the material. So it's a more even wear on the disc and a more efficient and let's say smooth finish.
Smooth finish.
Yeah.
So something that I wanted to mention is also you're preserving the life of the wheel. So when you're doing that, let's say in a real world example, in a foundry, in a metal yard, if you're going through 5 discs a day, with this auto balancer, you're basically going through 4. If you're paying $30 a pop for each grinding wheel, now you're saving $30 a day. Do the math on that, it's pretty nice. So it's something that you can highlight when you're showcasing this tool.
Yeah. And another feature is, again, maximum efficiency with this tool. So not only are you saving a grinding wheel, you're also getting more material removed per minute. So greater efficiency from the operator, greater efficiency with the abrasives, all around just maximum efficiency with this tool.
So one of the big highlights of this tool is the 3 horsepower in a 5-pound tool. So this is a lot, it's a big punch. So the power to weight ratio on this tool is amazing. It's really small, but it packs a really big punch. It's clean air, so it requires no oil on it. We offer it with an efficiency kit.
Yeah, the efficiency kit comes with the filter and regulator just to make sure you have the 90 PSI required. And it does take out some of the particulate, especially if you have a lot of dirty air, wet air, things like that, just to make sure that the tool is operating at maximum efficiency.
So when you're comparing it to a conventional vane grinder, you're removing 63% more material with this tool, with a turbine grinder, versus a conventional grinder. You're also using 19% less air than a conventional vane grinder.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome. Just make sure you're in a controlled environment. Anybody who's using a turbine grinder knows that it has to be in a closed environment where you have clean air, not out in the elements. You don't want any kind of like condensation in the line. It just, it needs that clean air.
Oh,
right?
exactly. I mean, it's basically a jet engine packed into a grinder.
Correct.
So, yeah.
It really packs a punch.
It does.
So it's ideal for grinding, cutting, and sanding. You'll find it in foundries, metal fabrication, shipyards.
Yep.
You'll see it. We recently had Corentin, our PM for grinders, visit here in the US. We went and saw some customers, and one of the customers was trying it out, was just grinding and going at it. He was trying to stall it out, and he was just amazed at the power that it had, but just how smooth it was and how easy and lightweight it is. And once he was going at it, he was trying to stall it out, and the sparks were flying everywhere. He was really impressed.
Yeah, and it's almost startling how quiet this tool is as well. So you're throwing sparks and you're expecting this just loud noise, especially in the controlled environments. You know, you're inside, you're running this tool all day, every day. It's incredibly quiet to the point where it almost is startling.
You don't think it's on. So you're looking at 78 decibels. Just for context, you need earbuds when you're going 90 or above. A conventional grinder will go from anywhere from 98 to 100. So on this one, it's 78 decibels. So technically, you don't need earbuds or ear protection on this.
We ran this at FabTech in 2023 in Chicago, and we're blown away by how quiet the tool was. Indoor environment, this is at a trade show, and nobody was complaining about how loud it was. It was remarkable. So, what sizes are available for demo?
So we have, for the grinder, we have 5 and 7 inch, and for the sander, we have 7 inch that's available.
Is it the same efficiency kit for all sizes?
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
So that's it for us today. Thanks for joining us. We're really excited about this tool, and we're just excited to go out on the road, take it for a test drive. Thank you.
Thanks.